In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp seamlessly. Integrating these platforms can enhance your email marketing efforts by synchronizing your website visitors and customers to your Mailchimp lists, thereby allowing for streamlined communication and targeted marketing campaigns. To start, let's navigate to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the left side of the interface, where you'll notice a panel with various options. Find and select the one labeled Integrations. This section is integral to your connectivity efforts as it houses all the possible platforms you can link with Mailchimp. Upon selecting Integrations, a new screen will appear. Here, you'll need to locate the Manage button. Clicking this will reveal the vast array of applications and websites you can connect to Mailchimp. Scroll through this list until you come across Connect to Wix. This step is crucial as it specifically initiates the process of linking your Wix site with Mailchimp, which can ultimately streamline your email marketing activities considerably. Once you click on Connect to Wix, you will be redirected to a connection process with your Wix account. This part is quite straightforward, so just proceed with the instructions on the screen. You'll find prompts that guide you on what information to provide and what actions to take. It's important to ensure that you're logged into your Wix account during this process to avoid any interruptions or access issues. As you progress, you'll be prompted to choose which of your Wix sites you wish to connect. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to consider which one best aligns with your current marketing and communication goals. Simply press Select on your desired site to proceed. After you've selected your site, you will see an option to Agree and Add. Clicking this indicates that you consent to the terms and conditions of the integration and are ready to authorize the connection. After a short period of loading, so be patient, you should see an option to click on Sync Now. This is the final step for establishing the connection. Once you've clicked on this, a confirmation message or status will likely appear, stating that your Wix integration is now successfully connected. You can verify this within your Mailchimp dashboard, where it will be explicitly stated. At this point, your Mailchimp account is officially linked with your Wix site, which paves the way for efficient management of your marketing activities. If needed, you can now head over to Wix to manage and tweak how the integration functions, ensuring it aligns perfectly with how you want to communicate and engage with your audience. And that wraps it up. Connecting Wix to Mailchimp is that simple and quick. You now have a powerful tool at your disposal for managing your email marketing strategy. Happy marketing!